Hello everybody, Average Gamer here. Welcome to another episode of Kerbal Space Program, Science for Everything. So in this episode, I was contemplating whether to go with rockets or possibly power generating solar panels, or I think there's definitely more science stuff that we can unlock back this way. I just don't know where it is. Getting better batteries and things like that, or MIs, is a good idea because that'll help us go. So I'm going to get these renewable resource panels for now. Oh, that actually that's pretty cool. And then, with the remaining science, I was thinking of unlocking basic rocketry. Because that'll give us, it looks like it's giving us stages for... Ooh. Oh. Actually, no, we're going with solid rocketry down here. I totally missed this whole thing. This should give us enough oomph to get us into a very, very... very low Kerbal orbit. They not get us permanent orbit, but at least get us up there. We'll use you as our. Actually, no, we're gonna do this. Open the the SR4, please. We're gonna save the SR4. What we're actually gonna do is take that off for now. And we now have I didn't think of the size difference. Can I make this thing smaller? I can. Okay. We're going to have what we're going to call the SR5. Now, science payload is still pretty much the same. So we're going to take those off because they're a waste of tonnage. We're also going to get 4 of you. And if I can get 4 of you, I think that should be fine. I hope so. That's 100% scale. That's 0.3. So I'm going to assume this can get us pretty... Oops. Pretty good into space, I'm assuming. Now, mind you, what I might do is actually do something actually like this. Whoops. Zoom in here. Click. No. Right. There we go. Take another one of you. And I want to get the decoupler that we were using. This thing right here. Put you there, and then put another one like so. And then what we're going to do, move you here so I can see what I'm doing. We're going to add some more fins like we did before. Times 4 here. Good. We're going to do just 2 there, and then we're going to add these ones. Oh, shit, these are huge. Change of lanes. These are just going to go up to about here instead. And we're just going to see how this works. Might as well just try it, right? What is the worst that'll happen? Maybe a little bit of splody bits. But that's the whole fun in this, right? Is watching the splody parts. Max the engine out. Doesn't matter. Oh, there's 2 engines. That could have been really bad. You're going down there. You are going with that. Then you 2 are going together. And then you. Alright, so here we go in 3, 2, 1. Temperature scan, keep that. So far, so good. Nice. And now we just disconnect. Temperature scan, keep that. Speed's dropping pretty good. We're about to hit our apogee. And we hit max, and now we're falling. The fin should take that thing away, yep. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wait till we hit about 1,000 meters, and I'm going to turn on our parachutes. This is also a little experiment for us to see how close to the ground we can get these parachutes going. Because we're losing speed already because we're not the most aerodynamic in the first place. We're basically just a big flat pancake. $4,000 meters, 35,000 or 3,500 meters. We're getting down there. We're getting close. See something there falling. What was that? Saw a shadow go across. We are going to land almost exactly where we took off from. 8, 7, 6, 500 meters. And you can see our speed's dropping miraculously to a crazy speed of 1.7 meters a second at 150 meters to spare. Up to speed here. So we could probably get it a little closer because we were actually slowing down as we were coming. So that's actually a good sign. And we're going to get that whipping sound in a second. So I'm going to turn that off. No science to get to here, but let's see how much science we got. We got an amount of science of 5.6. Not bad. So we're now at 16. We'll get the Debris back. And we'll go with the next sounding rocket. So sounding rockets are the way we're going to go for the first little bit. I really like the way they feel. What I'm going to do with the next one. So we have 139. And do we have any... Can I unlock any side decouplers? Like the couplers that are kind of hooking up village motors. Okay. I'm wondering if it's under basic rocketry. Yeah, right here. Boom. We want this. So we need to get 14 science, which is no big deal. We unlock some more stuff. So plan here is to get us going just higher, further, faster. Maybe get into orbit. I'm not 100% sure if that's going to be a good idea or not near the end, but Juno nose cone. Juno second stage. Arr. Interesting. Very interesting. We're gonna go new. Third stage rocket motor, eh? I'm definitely interested in all this stuff all of a sudden. We're still going to use the arrow beam. Actually, you know what? No, we're not. We're actually going to use the probodobodobodobodine as our control surface. I'm going to throw four of this on here just in case we get into orbit and we decide to stick in orbit. That's my main reason for this. And a capacitor just to hold its science. I'm also going to throw on some of those just to be on the safe side and to make it very kind of what's it called? Very kind of original science-esque. I'm actually going to put them here. And then I'm going to rotate them back like so. So maybe get our first thing into space. Just to be on the safe side, I'm going to throw 4 like so and 4 like so. Let's put a decoupler right there. Wait, really? Okay. Can I make this smaller? I can. Okay, perfect. Oh, look at that. Does this have fuel in it? It does, but it has electronic charge and monopropellant. Oh, whoops. Second stage fuel. Oh. Perfect. I don't need that. I'm gonna move it though. I think I can shift up it. Yeah, good enough. Then I'm wondering if so that's the first stage. Jesus Christ. This was the Thor Able second, so I'm looking for something first. Thor Able. Okay. Oh, actually, if I now put an engine in there. That doesn't look weird. That doesn't look weird. There we go. And now this. Aha. Doesn't look good. Ah, that goes there, and then this goes underneath. Yes, okay. We actually might get this puppy into orbit. Okay. Can I make this bigger? Wait, what was this again? This is Juno. Oh, this is Thor Able. Okay. So now we want a Juno tank. Ah, there we go. And obviously we're going to want a big engine in this thing, so that is 300. Yeah, this thing. Okay, well, I'm going to move it anyways and put it in the middle. Because that's just weird. And I'm also going to move it up just a smidge. Whether that's going to be enough to lift this thing, I don't know. But what I'm also going to do, very end here, I'm actually going to do something like this. Alt, copy it. I can change. No, I throw a roll line. I want some. There we go. The swivel. Make you smaller as well. Perfect. I'm going to put you on there and make you smaller, and then put you. Damn it. Put you there. And then we're going to. There. Boom. There we go. So, in the next episode, we try to launch this fucker. See you then. Bye-bye.